Building upon last week's work, I now have a system that dynamically loads different chunks of one larger terrain. Doing so does require that chunks are manually separated, and low detail versions are also made manually. This is something I will attempt to change going forward. An ideal system would only stream the relevant vertices from one giant terrain mesh file, and would procedurally build a new mesh at runtime with the appropriate level of detail scaling. As for the current implementation, the edges of chunks do line up neatly, as I made sure to only simplify the inner vertices and leave the edges at full detail. The normals do not quite line up though, as they are calculated based on the surrounding vertices, which may have been changed in the simplification process. As of yet, there are no textures. This is a result of constantly making alterations to the models and not altering the UV mapping to compensate. By using a similar technique to the geometry streaming, I should be able to implement level of detail texture streaming without too much trouble.